HillbillyNitro. Here we are, guys, back with another video. Thought I'd give you guys a little update of what I've been doing. Why you ain't seen me posting any videos. We've been doing a little work on the roof. Check all this out. That's what I've been up to the past couple of days. Let me get situated here. So yeah, that's what we've been up to. Laying some metal roofing here. Hillbilly Roofing Company is what we're calling it. There's my flunky working there. I've got to straighten the camera up here. Hold on just 1 second. Camera. There we go, a little straight now. Working on cutting around this vent here. We still got the front of the house to do here. We will be laying down some underlayment on this side. All of that flat part right there is on 1x4 slats. How many square foot is this? He don't remember. Quite a bit of work. I just thought I'd give you guys an update of where I've been. But you know, I didn't drop off the face of the earth. So I have some knives on the way, so stay tuned. I got some beauties on the way. So thought I'd just check in with you guys on video here, let you know what I was up to. Camera working here. There we go. Got the old Skinner hat on here. It's cold up here. It's cold in Tennessee. But thought I'd just check in with you guys and let y'all check out what's going on. I like to do a little keep up with what I'm doing in these videos, a little history of what I'm doing so I can look back, see what's going on. We'll catch you guys probably a day or two. Should have a knife coming in tomorrow, and I scored a beauty for myself. So keep an eye out. It is A-okay. So we'll catch you guys. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. If you do, do it twice. We'll sign off here and catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.